Hello everyone, it's been a while since I did a TryHackMe room. I just noticed a new room out called CyberHeroes. It's an easy room, it seems really simple, only to find a way in, I guess, and then, we're gonna get a flag. So I started the machine and let's get started. So I'm gonna copy paste the URL and go to the IP address. And I think I'm not connected to their VPN, so let me just do that. I can also see how we do that now. So we do sudo open VPN, and I think mine is something incredible like this. Yeah, so now we're done. Reconnect again, and this is the web page called CyberHeroes. So we see stuff. So using a standard methodology, we're gonna do some reconnaissance on the site. What is it we are seeing? Now we have a web page here. Let's see if we have a domain name or something like that. Designed by, just casually looking, clicking on stuff. Login. So we have a login page. Okay, so some JavaScript login, I guess, and then about page. It's basically that. So let's go on the home page and watch the page source, and it's very standard HTML. We have the HTML. Okay, it's an HTML page, so it doesn't seem like there's some sort of backend running. You never know. So let's go to the login page and see what we have here. It's a pop-up in JavaScript, and the JavaScript itself is right here. So basically it says incorrect password. If we if we click the button, let me just try. So login, and let's see. You got this, hacker. Alright, so let's see what it says. Basically, it says something like if the value of A is equal to hackerboy and the value of B is equal to reverse string, so it's reversed, so SUPE super SEC theater at something 345. Okay. So basically, I think this is a very common, JavaScript authentication function. And we can see that the username here is picked up by the ID, get element of ID, stored in the variable called A, and the password is picked up there by ID of pass and stored in the variable called B. So just by reading this code here, we can see that we need to log in with the hackerby. And now we need to do a reverse of this. Let's copy paste it, and that's pretty easy in Linux. So let's open a new console here. I'm gonna say echo, paste it in, and pipe it through ref, and then we're getting super secret at 1 2 3 4 5. Copy paste this, go back here, put it in, and we're getting a flag. That's our flag. Let's copy paste it, put it in there, and we're done the room. So that was a pretty easy room here on TryHackMe. I would like to say it's almost too easy, but this is the room that is gonna teach you that JavaScript security is not really security. So let me see, random long path. So I don't know where they. Is it from this one here? Let me see, how did they create this? I'm not really sure, to be honest. It's where is this? No, I don't know where this is from, to be honest. They probably imported it from some sort of let's see, so it's what is this? It's XML HTTP request. It helps to read the code. That is basically Ajax. And Ajax is the type of functionality you can do with JavaScript to do asynchronous operations. So you don't have to update the DOM, the HTML of the web page, like updating and like pressing the button, like update this. So, and it would seem that it doesn't get to this URL. So could we do this manually? A.value. Let's just try, because this is fun. So let's do a get to this. So it's gonna be this, and it will plus concatenate and underscore between. So that's gonna be the hackerboy underscore. Then let's take the path one more time. That would probably be no. What did I not do? Oh, dot text. Okay, so yeah, let's do dot text. Yeah, so basically that is the text file they will point to if we could actually just read this code. So two different ways to solve it. One is to basically just tag hackerboy with the lead talk, and then do a reverse of the string right here. So JavaScript security doesn't do anything. It's not a security. Okay. If this is fulfilled, it's gonna create this GET request, and basically it's just the name of the username and the password. No matter what's done in this, it would be broken anyways. So it's just this room. So I really hope you liked this video, and if you did so, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload a lot of videos. At the moment, I'm doing Wi-Fi security. I have a modem. I already did 2 videos on it, so please go ahead and watch that if you have interest in Wi-Fi security. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again, and have a nice day.